At Seafolly, we believe fit is more of a feeling than a size.
Hi, I'm Jax and I love Seafolly because I grew up near the beach and it reminds me of home.
Whenever you're talking about a curvy figure, an absolute go-to piece is without question a tankini. And I love a tankini because it talks all about the waist, it slims the body, but most importantly, it gets the eye to look up, away from potentially where people have a fuller figure. So as you can see here, this gorgeous line means that you're most definitely looking up at the décolletage. In addition to that, we've paired it with a really cool twist band hipster, basically because it gives you that fabulous cross front line and it has a really good bottom coverage. I love it when we get to talk about a tried and tested winner, and that is the YouTube Double D Bandeau. It is a brilliant bikini. It has the tie down bottom as Jax is wearing it now, but what I love is that you can pull it through and turn it into a halter. But in addition to that, it also comes with multiple straps so that you can wear it across your shoulder and giving it a completely different look with a clip back. This is one of these swimsuits that I get really excited about for the curvy woman. This is the Active Double D Mayo, and it just hugs the curves in all the right places. It is a double D hidden underwire that gives an elongated body line. It has the open front lace and then the fabulous back, which is a convertible and an adjustable back. When talking about the curvy body, it's really important to think about proportions. It's all about lengthening the body and creating a distance between the bust line and the hips to give an elongated torso. So for example, with someone like Jax who's wearing a fuller cup, an F cup, we have the underwire support which actually lifts up the bust line and creates a longer line. The actual accentuation of that is to put the hips to bottom with it. A lot of people have the wrong idea and put a high-waisted bottom with it, and that actually has the adverse effect because it shortens the body.